Oh, you're going on an adventure. Well, what kind of animals are you going to see on your animal adventure?
Dinosaurs.
Ooh, dinosaurs? Where?
Oh, look. Well, there's a dinosaur egg right there, Daddy.
Oh, a dinosaur egg. Wow, it's yellow with black spots. Ooh, I wonder what type of dinosaur is inside.
Oh, it's a baby T-Rex egg. Oh, and there's a daddy T-Rex here, too.
Where?
You.
Oh, right. Here's Daddy T-Rex. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Well, now, come on out of there, adventurer. Daddy T-Rex wants to give you a big old dino hug.
Okay.
Reflecting, or saying what your child is saying, builds their language skills, boosts their creativity, and lets them know you're paying attention. You hear them, and you get them.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Rawr, rawr.